Hey, this is Tyler Skidmore with Fly Rod Chronicles and West Virginia Fly Guys, and today we're going to be tying a Prince Nymph with a red hotspot. I'm going to do 5 or 6 turns of .015 lead-free wire onto my hook shank, and then I'm going to butt it up against the bead, and then make sure that my wire is nice and tidy. I'm going to take 210 denier red Danville's thread, and I'm going to start wrapping it onto the hook shank. I'm going to snip my tag end free and try to smooth out some of the fly body here. Make sure that my wire is nice and tidy. I'm going to take dark brown goose biot. I'm going to measure it at about a hook gaps in length, and I'm going to tie it in. Tying one biot in at a time gets them more even. Now that I have them both tied in, I'm going to work my way up the fly body, just really singeing those biots down. Now that I've got my biots in the right place, I'm going to go in and I'm going to try to snip them free without damaging my thread. And I'm going to do a counterclockwise turn with my bobbin to make that thread lay down, and it's just going to smooth out my fly body. Now that I'm back at my tie-in point for my biots, I'm going to add some peacock herl here, and it's going to be 3 or 4 fibers that I've snipped the top ends free because they're somewhat brittle. And then I'm going to go size small UTC ultra wire, and I'm going to tie that in at the same point. Now I'm going to work my thread free, or all the way up the fly body here to about the bead of the hook. And you're going to see me twisting my peacock herl here, and that's just to make sure that it's more durable when it's on the fly body. And once I reach the bead head up here, I'm going to tie it off with 2 or 3 turns of thread, making sure that it's really tight. I'm going to snip my peacock herl free. Now I'm going to reverse wrap my wire the opposite way that I wrapped my peacock herl in, and that's just for durability purposes. And I'm going to tie it off as well. Once I have it tied off, you're going to see me helicopter it free. And now I'm going to reach for my white goose biots. I'm going to get these biots set right where I want them. Take some practice, and then I'm going to tie it down with 2 or 3 tight turns. I'm going to grab my other biot and do the same thing with it. And once I have them where I want them, I'm going to take my thread and I'm going to tighten down on the hook. That's going to allow these biots to splay a little bit at the top and give it more of a wing-like look. Now I'm going to snip the butt ends of my biot, and I'm going to start whip finishing from here. And I'm going to use my whip finish to try to cover up the excess biot at the end of the fly, doing 4 or 5 turns at a time. Once I'm done with my whip finish, I'm going to snip my tying thread free, and I'm going to come in here with a little head cement, and that's really going to solidify the wings in place as well as the thread. Now my Prince Nymph with a red hotspot is finished. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and go to westvirginiaflyguys.com for more. Thanks for watching.